Ain't gonna do it now, is it?
Acceptable to the Iranians because it didn't offer any sanctions relief and seemed to be simplification.
I ain't doing it now, filming.
Video address confirming the attacks. President Trump urged the Iranian people to seize what he called their hour of freedom. Our security correspondent Frank Gardner says the president appears to have broader objectives than Iran's nuclear program alone.
It's very clear from what President Trump has said.
Yeah, it's done it there.
Way bigger than
Done it again. It's with the bloody steering wheel, I reckon. Done it again.
On the nuclear sites, they're going for regime change. That's what it looks like. And clearly they're hoping that they're not going to have to keep coming back and doing this year after year.
Iran has launched retaliatory
Just
strikes on American
put
military
the
bases.
handbrake on and let it sit here for a minute or two.
A US naval base in Bahrain and air raid sirens have been heard in the Gulf state. The UAE says it has successfully intercepted several Iranian missiles targeting the country. There are also reports of strikes aimed at US sites in Saudi Arabia, Kuwait and Qatar. Here, the Prime Minister has held an emergency meeting in response to the action in Iran and is expected to hold talks with allies in the coming hours. It's understood the UK was not involved.
Just turn the steering wheel lock to lock a
operation.
couple of times.
In other news, Home Secretary Shabana Mahmood has signalled she'll press ahead with plans to tighten asylum and immigration rules, despite Labour losing the Gorton and Denton by-election to the Green Party. A source close to Ms Mahmood said
it's
the
gone
government
completely
shouldn't learn
now.
the wrong lessons from Thursday's defeat. At least 20 people have been killed in Bolivia after an Air Force cargo plane carrying banknotes crashed onto a busy street in El Alto. Mimi Swabia has more details.
Turn the wheel.
Several cars as it came down, causing death and widespread destruction. It wasn't immediately clear what caused the crash,
On the other way.
but some witnesses say the weather at the time was horrendous. Yet some people saw the disaster as a lucrative opportunity and rushed to grab money
Weird,
that
isn't
lay
it?
strewn on the ground amid the wreckage. Bolivia's central bank said the looted cash would not be recognised as legal tender.
And
That's the
two
second time today.
boxes along a Berkshire canal could
After
soon be
about
turned
20
into
minutes it
bath
starts
homes.
doing it.
Now, River Trust says the structures have concrete walls